Everything starts with precision. We mount the LED modules directly onto the acrylic and metal base inside each letter. This isn't just about placing lights, it's about calculating the right density, the right angle, and the right positioning so that every single letter glows evenly from edge to edge. No hotspots, no dark zones, just clean, consistent light. The foundation of a great sign is built right here before anyone even turns the power on. Once the LEDs are in place, we test every single one before moving forward. Each module is checked individually. If something doesn't perform at the level we expect, it gets replaced. No exceptions. We don't move to the next stage until we're confident the lighting is exactly where it needs to be. This step saves problems down the line and guarantees that what leaves our facility works perfectly from day one. Inside each letter, space is limited, and how you use that space matters. We route and secure every cable with intention, keeping the interior clean, organized, and serviceable. This isn't just about aesthetics inside the letter, it's about longevity. Proper cable management reduces heat buildup, prevents wear over time, and makes future maintenance significantly easier. A sign that's built clean on the inside lasts longer on the outside. This is where the craft really shows. We polish each letter individually to achieve a perfectly smooth surface. We're talking about eliminating every micro scratch, every imperfection that could affect the final look. When light hits a channel letter, it reflects off every surface, so surface quality is directly visible in the final result. We don't cut corners here. The finish is part of the product. Before any letter moves forward, it goes through a detailed visual and structural inspection. We check for gaps, for any potential points where moisture or dust could infiltrate the interior. Even a small opening can compromise the durability of a sign over time, especially in outdoor environments where temperature changes, rain, and humidity are constant factors. Every letter has to pass this check. No exceptions, no shortcuts. The final step is making sure each letter has a solid, custom-adapted metal support structure. Every installation is different. Different surfaces, different weights, different mounting requirements. We adapt the structure to fit the specific demands of each project, so that when the sign goes up, it goes up to stay. Stability isn't optional. It's part of what we deliver. This is the process behind every sign we produce. 6 steps, 0 compromises. Because when your sign goes up on that wall, it represents your brand. And it represents our work. And both of those things need to look exactly right. If you want to see more of what happens inside our production facility, subscribe and stay with us. There's a lot more to show you.